Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to the Junk Journal January Challenge for 2026. Let's grab our junk journals and our favorite beverage of choice, and let's get creative while we enjoy a good cup of coffee. For the prompt of wrapped or wrapping, I decided to recycle and reuse an old kind of wrapping of some sweets I got a while back. The wrapping from those licorice I was saving anyways because I really wanted to keep it as a keepsake. I got that as a present and I decided to just keep it and use it in one of my journal spreads. So I thought this would be the perfect base for today's spread in a way. And I really love the craft paper with the black just printed on it and everything. So it kind of works out, and I decided to just tear the whole bag apart and glue it onto 2 pages of the journal in a way. Now let's get out some more wrapping of sweets and sugary things. I just feel like those come in such beautiful materials and the golden foil is kind of beautiful, so I decided to also keep those, and I just decided to make a bunch of stars out of the paper to have the kind of shiny black ones and the golden stars to add to the spread and just make it a bit whimsical and magical, and don't transform the whole licorice package as much. Just adding a bit of magic and stars to the spread to kind of keep the essence of the wrapping in a way. I don't know. I really want to just memorize and keep the licorice packaging as a keepsake in a way. So I'm really loving how this spread turned out, but if you know me and you've been following me for a while, you know I'm obsessed with stars, so as soon as we started with the stars, I knew that in the end I would love this spread. So I'm really happy with how this one turned out, and as I kind of feel like I'm saying the last few days always, this Junk Journal January will be really hard to pick a favorite, or even like 2 or 3. There are so many pages I really love the outcome of, but maybe that's a good part, I guess. Having it too hard to pick your favorite spread is not the biggest problem in the world, or if it is a problem at all, I guess it's not. It's a good problem to have, I guess. So I'm really happy with how this challenge is going so far, and I hope you had a lot of fun, or having a lot of fun with the challenge as well. I feel like this spread with all the stars turned out super magical, and I'm really, really happy about it. I hope you enjoyed today's star session as well. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really, really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventures and haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below to join me on my creative journey. So, see you tomorrow. Until then, happy creating!